Good day, everyone. This is Ivy Munoz, a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics at Cebu Normal University. I will be your teacher for today. And now we're going to tackle about variables and constants. And at the end of the lesson, you are all expected to differentiate between constants and variables in a given algebraic expression. But before which, let's first unlock the terms algebraic expression, variables, and constants. So, an algebraic expression. It includes one or more algebraic terms in a phrase. It also includes variables and constants in an operating symbols such as plus and minus sign. It is very important to note also that in an algebraic expression, there are no such equal sign. Why? Because it is only an expression, meaning it is only a phrase and not a whole sentence. So for example, we have 3x squared plus 2y plus 7xy plus 5. As we observe, it consists of four terms, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It has also variables and also constants. And it has also the operating symbol, the positive or the plus sign. Now for a variable. A variable or variables is a quantity which has no fixed value but takes no various numerical values. It is usually represented by a letter. For example, temperature at times of a day represent a variable. The height of a student in your grade is a variable, since it varies from student to student, or the letter X. 3y, AB, and so on. On the other hand, constant is a symbol that has a fixed numerical value, For example, could have 2, 5, 0, negative 3, 1 half, 7 over 9. And the number of the days in a week also represents a constant. Here in this expression 5x plus 7, the constant term here is the second term, 7. And now I guess we are all ready to differentiate between a constant and a variable in a given algebraic expression. So let's take example number 1, x plus 3. So this expression contains three terms. The variable here is the letter x, while the constant here is the second term, 3. For this example, negative 13x squared plus 3x plus 14. As we observe, these are three terms. You might wonder, what is the variable in here? Maybe it's in the first term, or it could be in the last term, or it can be in the second term. Well, it is very important to note that the combination of a variable and a constant is a variable itself. Therefore, we can say that the variable here is negative 13x squared and the positive 3x, while the constant here is 14. Now we're down for the third example. X cubed plus x squared y minus xy squared plus 5. So it has four terms. Now, the variables here are the first three terms, the x cubed, x squared y, and the negative xy squared, while the constant here is 5. So to sum up everything, as we observe, a variable is only the representation of an unknown, while a constant is already the value. It is the fixed value. And that ends our lesson for today. Thank you for watching.